Alright, finally got the helmet wired up with a microphone. Not exactly the best work ever, but it'll do for now. So we're gonna head out and see how it sounds. See if it works. Hope that it doesn't fly off the helmet, I guess. The GoPro's good, but the GoPro adapter is freaking half the size of the GoPro, so we'll see if that's on there. Fingers crossed. All right. Blow out some freaking eardrums with this exhaust. It's weird because when you don't have a microphone in your helmet, you never have a need to talk to yourself. And then suddenly you got a microphone and you want to talk to yourself and you realize that your exhaust is 9 million decibels and you can't even hear what you're saying. I can talk to myself in my head all day and I'm fine. Talk to myself out loud over a Two Brothers exhaust and suddenly I'm questioning if I'm just screaming. Why have I never ridden in this Under Armour shirt before? This is freaking glorious. Hooks around my thumbs so that I don't get sunburn on my wrist slits. That's the technical term for the skin that's showing between your gloves and your sleeve. Oh, yeah. Come on over. Or don't. Make up your mind. Trying to get over in front of me and then ride my butt. Not in my house. I got 300 cc's. I'll pull away from your ass quicker than you can say, I don't know. Let's just scoot on downtown. And then we'll play it back and see what kind of audio we got. Saw, dude. I'm impatient. I should have just gone down West Street. Worst road in America. I don't know who decided to give me a microphone. Come on, I got it! Man, do y'all feel that 24 horsepower right now? Because I don't. Look, there's a bumpy boy. This exhaust is so loud that I always try and be in this lane so that I don't hear it reverberating off that freaking wall to the right of me, making my eardrums bleed. Oh, saw, dude. M3? We got a 3 in common. I got 300 cc's. No, I'm kidding. It's 286 or something like that. Let's get it right now. Oh, look at me. What? That's a bumpy boy too. That always shoots me off my seat. Probably kind of dangerous. That's one of the downsides of this bike is the freaking soft suspension. But what can you expect? It's a cheap beginner bike. That's my exhaust noise, but I think it's not really accurate. I might look silly with my sleeves tucked into my gloves like this. I don't know. And then I got my freaking ankles showing because I got low tops on. Probably look like a major noob. I look like a squid. That lady better look the heck out. Yeah, you tell him. Sometimes I like to look at myself to see if I look cool in reflections. Sometimes it's a yes, sometimes it's a no. I don't know what today is. It's gonna be a maybe for me, dog. Oh, it sounds so fast, but why is it not? I want to go fast. I should have upshifted. I sound like an asshole coming through. I sound like an asshole. I look like an asshole. I might be an asshole. Sup, biker bro? Alright. Shall we check out this Audeo? Let's. See my sick thumb slit cover holes? I mean, it seems like the quality's pretty legit. I guess I'll be able to tell that better when I don't have a helmet covering my ears. And I guess I also only played it back with my helmet closed. I still don't know what it sounds like with my helmet open. I mean, I know what it sounds like. I just don't know what it sounds like, you know what I mean? With the wind noise. Windy noise, windy boys. Oh. I saw it, dudes. I saw it, dudes. That was Christian. Doing his damn thing on the skating boards. What do we got? Okay. A little bit of something for everyone. And then you got newbie boy rolling through on his Rebel 300. I'm just kidding. I'm not a newbie, but everybody might think I'm is. Man, I hope everybody thinks I look cool. That would suck if they don't. That's why I'm doing this. It's got Coors Light chilling in the window up there, calling my name. Alright, just go right ahead. It's my turn, but it's okay. Mailman, the mailman looked like Post Malone if Post Malone never had any talent or tattoos. What are you doing, bro? Stupid ass people. It's not fall. Why are there dead leaves everywhere? That house is cute. I saw the inside of it on the line. Like that. I came to that stop, safely assessed the situation around me, and continued on my way, while never putting a single foot down, because this thing weighs like 300 and nothing pounds. Oh, why did I do that? Because I didn't see it. I didn't mean to. Very pretty. I would stop and take a picture of my bike, but there's a lady down there and she might think I'm being weird. So I'll just go. Man, I just want to do a wheelie in a residential area. But I'm not going to. For sure, dude. What's up? There's my reflection. Yep, still look kind of cool. I don't have much battery life left on this thing. If I was a real motovlogger, I would have brought extra batteries. Noob. Drive like your kids live here. So you want me to give them a wheelie show? Hup, hup. Ooh. Bruise my kidney. Oh, dude. Sup? That's funny. Vroom, vroom. Oh, my wife texted me. I bet that means that even though I don't know what time it is, it's probably either 4 or 4:30, which would mean that she's getting off and heading home. If I had the hands to do it, I would text her and I would say, she would probably be saying, headed home, love you, and I would respond, woo, love you. But I can't, so this is me saying it. What are you guys doing? That awkward moment when you blow the doors off somebody and then they're about to come to a stop behind you. But not in my house, because we going now, baby. Oh, my battery life is flashing. If my battery dies, then thanks for watching my first motovlog ever. And, sorry if it sucked.